baby. Hit it.
Mga beshies, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. So today is Dudung's birthday. So we're gonna celebrate in Dusit Thani Hotel. We're gonna have a brunch there. So I'm really excited because it's going to be our first time and it's a Valentine's Day as well today. So let's go mga beshies and enjoy the day. Hello, good afternoon. Hello mga beshies, we're finally here at Dusit Thani. So we just had our car valet. So it's complimentary. So now we're heading to Urban Kitchen for our brunch. It's here. Hey! Hi mga beshi, so we arrived a bit early, so we'll have to wait for like how many minutes? Almost 20 minutes because they open at 12:30. So once it's 12:30 then we can enter the restaurant. So for now we're just sitting here on the lobby side. So here is how their lobby looks like. It's massive mga beshi, ang laki ng area na to. And it's our first time to come here, so we're really fascinated about how the lobby looks like. So let's go mga beshi and let's have our lunch later. Let's go! Thank you. Maybe there in the middle. Thank you. Iniwan niya na tayo. Iniwan lang niya tayo. Yeah, it's better here so it will be easier to access the buffet area. Ayan o. This one, the 3 one. Or here? Okay, here. So there's a light. There's a light. Okay, we're gonna sit here, mga beshies. Oh, makakabasag pa. Charing. Okay, let's check the buffet area, mga beshi. I wanna show you the food that they're serving here at the buffet. Let's go.
Sushi.
Okay.
Live pasta station. Yeah, the good pizza. This is the main course.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
Breads here, mga beshies. And their cheese and nuts. Salads are here. And they have the live pasta station. Is here. And then there's a roast lamb, main course, hot appetizer, steamed rice. A dessert station. Wow, tiramisu, my favorite. So excited. Oh, excited. Fruits. So, attack na tayo. Let's start our brunch here. Let's go. It's a mixture of chicken, hummus, tapos may glass noodles with the seafoods and baba ganoush. Then we also have a platter of sushi here. Sa kanya, sushalo, naka-bowl. Salad. Salad. Let's try. Napaka-ano mo pa naman sa hot na. Let's try the glass noodles with seafoods. Oh my god. Ito, sarap. Ito na hot na try. Multiply this one. Kaya malamig. Malamig, pero masarap, di ba? Hindi ka lang sanay. Pero yung ka lang malamig. Isat niya ko. Sit! Sushi time. Let's try the California maki. Let's eat, mga beshies. Bakit? I think this is salmon. It's kaya nga. So, ito mga beshi is vegetable lasagna. Let's try. Ba't ito narinig? Narinig. Ito beshi. Ano to? Deep fried.
Deep fry
Fish.
Thai
fish. Sarap. Sarap ito. One of the best din. Try the lamb. Beef. Matigas. Ito masarap. Yung lamb. Chicken samosa. Desserts. So we have tiramisu, then coffee panna cotta, then cheesecake as well. Let's go! Akala, ikaw yung handa. Ito daw yung handa. Kunin mo na yung gift mo. Ay talaga? Video na ba? This is also birthday. It's his birthday. Oh, another song daw. Galing naman dito, Marisa. Talagang... Ano naman dito? Sinabi ko, siyempre. O, pili. Hawa ka ba? You like it? How is it? How did you get that? Enjoy your gift. Enjoy your gift. I hope you like it.
Another one. Another one. Can I look this one? Another one. Ba't meron pa sa loob?
Baka yung ano, pinaka-handle.
What's inside my bag?
Open. You show.
I don't like. I feel shy.
You show na.
I feel
What's
shy.
the gift?
Yay.
Wow.
This one, free.
That's mine.
Like,
Joke.
it's yours.
There's any card?
Yeah, there's a card. Here.
Read it.
Not now.
Oh my god, you made it ugly na. Ayusin mo. Hope you'll like it. Uy, meron pang ano dun. Kunin mo yung isa pang card dun.
Ay, doon na sa bahay.
Sa paper bag.
No card. On the paper bag. No card.
Ito ang effort match ni Cintily and Aina ng kanilang setup for Valentine's. Wow!
Ayun ako.
Ayun, tignan mo.
OMG! Patay tayo.
Oh my God! Sponsored by RH Bill. Charing.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, so sweet, like vinegar talaga si Beshi.
Ang klasiko, di ba?
Buti na lang na nausap tayo.
So ito yung mga food, mga Beshi. We have pizza, and then ziken,
Sure ah.
and then spaghetti, and then we also have the
Best na red horse
peach
na.
mango pie. Mango pie.
Five.
And then we have RH, of course, as our sponsor for tonight's video. And then we have Coca-Cola. Ay, Coca-Cola pala.
Wala tayong wala ko.
We have Coca-Cola.
No Coca-Lolo.
Pakalolo.
Enjoy, mga veggies. Enjoy.
Beshi-beshi mga hello.
Mga copyright eh.
Harap na.
Oh, alin na kayo. Arat.
1, 2, 3, funk it. My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.